I'm here with Kevin Jobsky, Director of Marketing for ICM Controls, and we're talking about the environmental and economic benefits that ICM Controls achieved by constructing a new environmentally friendly manufacturing facility, and how going green can reduce costs and be a powerful recruitment and employee retention tool. What was the original thinking behind going green with the building of your new manufacturing facility?
The planning behind our new 84,000 square foot manufacturing facility was based on a conscious commitment to reduce our environmental footprint by using some of the latest and most innovative building techniques available. We firmly believe that all companies engaged in new construction projects should strive toward reducing their carbon footprint as much as possible. But for ICM, it was especially important, being that we are also a manufacturer of eco-friendly and energy-efficient products.
You hear a lot about LEED certification, and yet ICM Controls elected not to pursue this strategy when building its new facility.
Our philosophy has been and will always be to never chase a certification. While on the surface, LEED certification is a great premise, our ROI analysis showed that some elements of certification simply did not warrant the costs. ICM wanted to stay flexible and invest more heavily in areas we deemed more important, such as the use of insulated concrete forms that made much more sense for the Syracuse climate, instead of being forced to incorporate additional landscaping or bicycle rack just to score LEED points. We only wanted to add items necessary to our organization's success, or those aligned with the business processes and philosophies that earn that success.
How did you decide which improvements made sense?
We calculated a detailed return on investment for each measure under consideration. We placed a focus on climate control and energy efficiencies that provided a reasonable payback. Maximizing solar gain, minimizing heat loss, and reducing power consumption were three key criteria, and investments were made in the best equipment and technologies available to meet the budget and the company's true needs.
What were some of the key improvements you decided to invest in when constructing the facility?
Well, there's far too many to cover here, but some highlights would include the use of insulated concrete forms to build the facility, and these carry a much higher R factor than standard construction materials, and helped us earn a silver medal in the 2007 Design and Installation Awards from the American Concrete Institute's Central New York chapter. The company also invested in 15 high-efficiency rooftop units equipped with variable frequency drives, which saves money in operating costs through reduced energy consumption and peak demand charges. Of course, these are managed through an EMS package that offers enhanced climate control to help us maximize efficiencies. We also installed a high albedo cool roof that features a solar reflective white membrane rubber surface that helps reduce our cooling energy load. The building also uses high-efficiency windows strategically positioned to let in natural light throughout the day, reducing the building's dependency on electric lights. In fact, our energy consumption is so minimal for a facility our size that we earned an Energy Efficiency High Performance Building Award from the New York State Energy Research and Development Authority. It's estimated that we save about $100,000 annually in energy costs.
That's great. Are there any other examples you wish to share?
One final example I'd like to share focuses on our continual goal for zero discharge. Through use of a reverse osmosis water filtration process, the company recovers, cleans, and reuses approximately 96% of the thousands of gallons of water we use daily in our printed circuit board fabrication shop.
With all these achievements, what would you say were the key outcomes of your green facility project?
We believe there have been three key outcomes. Bottom line operations cost savings, talent acquisition and employee satisfaction that tracks directly to productivity gains, and the development of a building that doubles as a showcase for the company's own energy-efficient controlled products.
And what are some of these eco-friendly and energy-efficient products or initiatives that your company is working on?
As a global company, we have to be aware of environmental standards all over the world, so we've been proactively updating several of our products to meet some of Europe's standards. Most notably, its RoHS standard, which essentially bans the use of many hazardous materials from products, including lead, which is used in solder. We are also aggressively developing cutting-edge, energy-efficient solutions for the future of the HVAC industry, like our Zigbee-certified SE01 communicating thermostat that lets utility companies talk to your thermostat during times of peak energy demand. Then there's our multi-award-winning CC750 Comfort Control Center that helps maximize the efficiencies of older central air conditioning and heat pump systems. And finally, we're also working on products that evolve around mesh technology, as well as other energy-efficient solutions that focus on the hospitality, pool and spa, and solar industries.
Thanks so much, Kevin, for speaking with us about your new environmentally friendly facility. For more information, visit www.icmcontrols.com.